Hey guys, it's Alyssa. I just wanted to wish you guys the best of luck when you move to California. And I also wanted to thank you guys for everything that you have done for me and for all of your fans for over the past couple of years. You guys are amazing. You have dedicated so much time to us by either entertaining us with a show or just hanging out or doing all that stuff that you did not have to do. So I do not get to speak for everyone, all the Fishbowl fans, but I say thank you so much for that. And I'm glad that you guys are actually living your dream and you're doing what you've always dreamed to be doing. And I just wish you guys the best of luck. And I also know I can speak for everyone when I say, here on Long Island, please don't forget about us. I know you guys won't. And please come back and visit us as often as possible. And I just wanted to also thank you for not being like all those other rock stars being stuck up or anything. You guys are dedicated to the fans more than dedicated to yourself. And I think it's really great. And yeah, so I wish you guys the best of luck. And I will talk to you and see you really soon. I love you. Keep shining.